Understanding the phrase, old-time favorite. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase in English, old-time favorite. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but it's packed with cultural and emotional significance. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily conversations. What does old-time favorite mean? This phrase combines two parts: old time, which refers to something from the past, often with a sense of nostalgia or fond memories, and favorite, which means something that is preferred or liked more than others. Together, old-time favorite describes something that has been loved or admired for a long time and continues to be so. It's often used for songs, movies, books, or even recipes that have stood the test of time and remain popular. How and when to use old-time favorite? This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Let's look at some examples. The Beatles' Hey Jude is an old-time favorite for many music lovers. Every Christmas, we watch Home Alone, our old-time favorite movie. My grandmother's apple pie recipe is an old-time favorite in our family. These examples show that old-time favorite is used to express a long-standing preference and emotional connection with something from the past. Why is this phrase important? Old-time favorite is not just about preference. It's about tradition, nostalgia, and a connection to the past. It reflects a sense of continuity and the enduring quality of certain things despite changing times. Understanding this phrase helps you appreciate cultural references and the emotional value people place on certain aspects of their history and experiences. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, old-time favorite, and how it's used in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the emotions and cultural stories behind them. Keep practicing, and don't forget to share your own old-time favorites in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!